Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Do you find yourself struggling to write quick and professional replies to emails? It can be time consuming and sometimes very tricky to get the tone just right. Yes, but don't worry, we have a fantastic AI tool for this. Introducing the Email Reply Assistant tool, which helps you to create perfect email responses in no time. To access the tool, you have to click on this tool named Email Reply Assistant. Once you find it, click on it and then just few commands. Yes, the first one being the author's name. It means the name of the person who is going to reply to that email. Your name, right? Now here, because I'm giving you the example, so I'll write my name. So I want to respond to an email. Now, email you are responding to, you have to paste the email that you have received. Okay. So we got this email from our principal ma'am, which was regarding the announcement of PTM dates. Now, the third one is what you want to communicate in response. I want to acknowledge the email. Okay. I want to acknowledge that, ma'am, yes, I have read your email and will do as suggested. So I'll write it here. I want to acknowledge the email. That is it. Okay. Now I will simply click on generate and within seconds, we will get our customized email reply ready to be sent. And here we are. I hope you can see that how nicely it has written and responded to the email that we've got, right? As you can see here, you can simply type your name and your contact information and you can confidently send a reply to any email that you want. Yes? Thanks for watching. Try the Email Reply Assistant tool today at Academiq AI and make your email replies faster, easier, and more professional. Happy replying!